0SR/F Best Naked Bikes. Naked bikes, fast, agile, relatively comfortable to drive and, let's be honest, hell hot to look at. No wonder this part of the motorcycle market has become very popular since the turn of the century. All major motorcycle manufacturers have naked bikes in their selection. So, let's see who stands out from the crowd and should be considered the best naked bikes. What is a bike? Technically, any motorcycle can be called a bare wheel without a cover. In fact, what we are talking about when we say naked bike is a slightly modified sports bike with little to no protection. The term naked bike comes from undressing, removing the covers, on a sports bike. In the late 1980s and early 1980s, racers with crash bikes and empty wallets began to recycle their damaged two-wheelers. Broken plastic covers were removed and a cheap handlebar was installed, which promoted upright riding. Adding lights allowed these wheels to legally hit the streets where the remaining battle arrows were a badge of honor. These early so-called street fighters became so popular that the trend shifted from DIY garages to production floors. Ducati was the first to produce a naked motorcycle in a factory. Their 1993 release of the Ducati Monster celebrated a new design era. Until then, the frame and engine parts of motorcycles had been lost behind the plastic. But with the unveiling of the Monster's iconic trellis frame, its beauty became the secret weapon of the top naked wheels. Although it was initially only the appearance of the wheels that was changed, the factory production of naked motorcycles also led to slight changes in performance. In general, the machines of naked bikes will be inactive compared to their cousins on sports bikes. With more torque lower, it comes at the expense of a few miles at the end of the speed range. These changes ensure that a bare motorcycle is more suitable on roads and in urban areas than traditional superbikes. 0SR/F. The 0SR/F may well be the best naked bike of a new era. Powered by an electric engine and lithium battery, it leads the change. Zero's electric engine technology enables instant access to the full 190 Nm torque, making for an acceleration experience no gas-powered bike can rival. Undoubtedly, the 0SR/F is the best naked bike for those who want to go green. Key specs: engine, ZF75-10 motor and ZF14.4 lithium-ion battery. Power, 110 HP. Torque, 190 Nm. Weight, 485 pounds. Seat height, 31 in. What are the best nude bikes at? To answer this question, we should go back and consider what a naked bike is. With their origin firmly in the superbike and sport bike segments of the motorcycle market, naked motorcycles were first designed for performance. They are powerful, fast and incredibly fun to ride. Their perfect power-to-weight ratio allows easy handling, even for novice pilots. That is, if you don't immediately jump on one of the over 1,000 DC machines, however, who are we to judge? Naked bikes are great for everyday city use and urban commuting, as well as weekend trips to the hills or canyon carving sessions with friends. The more upright seating position of these bikes is comfortable in all disciplines. The best naked bikes are relatively lightweight, making them easy to maneuver through traffic or get in and out of parking spots. Then when the weekend rolls around, just twist the throttle for some serious fun. Naked bikes are fast on the flats and balanced in the turns, making them perfect bikes for short trips and scenic mountain rides.